2022 Honda Pilot. With less than 58,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It's full of phenomenal features that any driver would appreciate, such as cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, third-row seating, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, moonroof, backup camera, memory seat, tinted windows. Visit us today. Your dream car is waiting.